All right, Mr. I'm sorry, Professor Santana. Welcome to next spelling lesson, spelling vocabulary lesson. I think you're gonna like this one. It's good. It's an excellent one. You're making great progress. So I want you to keep it up, and I don't want you hassling anybody at home, especially your mom. You know you have work to do. You don't understand something, you contact me, Mr. Feliz, type it in the chat box, or say it on the microphone. Okay? All right, and you're going to be working with us in another room after anyway, with me in another room later on. But you've got to pay attention to my directions on Dojo. All right, but anyway, let's get back into the words. All right, so we are going to start with number 2. It is the word take. What's the word? Exactly, take. Take a 10 to make a 10, right? Take your time. Take a bath. Okay. A, k, silent E. Let's go. T, A, k, silent E, take. Excellent. So how do we mark this up? Underline the A and the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. Why? Awesome. Because in this case, the silent E makes the A say A. All right. So now we are going to go to the next one. Okay. So the next one is just say takes and write it. Takes. All right, excellent. Now go back to the word take, and we're gonna change it into taking. And remember, we drop the silent E when we add ing. So let's go in syllables. Taking, taking. All right, let's pull it apart. First syllable, tay. Second syllable, king. No, it's not royalty. Okay, so how do we mark this up? Underline the A and the The A can say A at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. And you're writing out the word, John Carlos. But if you notice, take ends with a silent E. But we dropped the silent E when we add ing. So that is rule 13. And you need to write out this whole word, John Carlos. So pause the tape if you need to. Okay? All right. So what do we do with take, takes, and taking? Excellent. Triple bracket or brace. Now, we talk about regulars, you got it, and we talk about irregulars. We don't say, I taked my mother's hand. We say, I took it. I took my mother's hand. Let's go. K, took. K, took. How do we mark this up? Phenomenal. Underline the second sound. What do we do with took and take? Half bracket or brace. All right? So, John Carlos, the next word, old spelling word, skip down to number 6. V, nice. No, V silent E. Give. Let's go. G, I, V, silent E. Let's go. G, I, V, silent E, give. How do we mark this up? Excellent. Underline the V and the silent E twice. Job number 2. And of course, we know English words don't end with V. All right? And again, we talk about regulars and we talk about irregulars. We don't say he gave me some money. We say he, yes, gave me. Let's go. V, no, V silent E. Gave. G, A, V, silent E. Gave. Let's go. G, A, V, silent E. Gave. We have 2 things to mark up. Excellent. Underline the A. Excuse me. And the silent E twice. Draw an arrow back. Why? Because in this case, the silent E makes the A say A. And what do we do with this? Bracket or brace. And here's what I want you to do now, John Carlos. You're going to give me, no pun intended, I'm putting a little star next to it. You're going to write sentences with give, gives, and giving. And you're going to drop the silent E in giving. So that's 3 sentences right there. Okay? Give, gives, giving. Continuing with what we've been doing, the next word is the word letter. What's the word? Yes, letter. Okay, we could use it more than one way. Letter. So, for example, when you write a note to your friend or to your mom, or somebody receives something in the mail, it's called a letter. You know that. And of course, we have our alphabet. A is the first letter in the alphabet. So let's go. Letter. 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 First syllable. Excellent. Let. Pinky space. Second syllable. letter. All right, notice that we divide the syllable by the double consonant. How do we mark this up? Awesome, underline the We can use it more than one way. Yes, it is a homograph. Homograph. Okay, now number 8 is easy. Don't pull it apart. Just say letters and write it. Letters. And again, you get lots of letters in the mail, and also there are 26 letters in the alphabet, so that is a homograph as well. So John Carlos, that means you have to write sentences each way. You can use the word letter, like what you receive in the mail, and the alphabet, right? Like B is a letter in the alphabet, and also with letters. Mom gets lots of letters in the mail, and there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Or you could say A, B, and C are my favorite letters. So what do we do with these two words? Bracket or brace. Excellent. So continuing with what we were doing, the next word is the word body. What's the word? Excellent. Body. Our arms and our legs and our limbs, right, are attached to our body. On an insect's body, they have 6 legs. Body. Let's go. Bod-e. Body. We use y-e-i. Let's go. Bod-e. Think about it. A baby has a fat little body, right? Okay, so how do we mark this up? Second sound. Excellent job. Okay. Excuse me. Number 10 is the word quiet. What's the word? Excellent. Quiet. Great synonym for that is silence, hush, that sort of thing. And you come up with a lot of synonyms with that. You have excellent vocabulary. Quiet. Let's go. Quiet. Quiet. Remember, Q and U stick like glue. Okay, so first syllable, qui. Second syllable, make sure you put that space, et. Quiet. All right, we have 2 things to mark up, so let's go. Underline the qu and the I. So Q and U stick like glue. That's the first rule we learned. That's rule 1. And the I can say I at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. Excellent. Now, when you do something in a quiet way, you do it quietly. Very good. Okay, so 3 syllables. Let's go quietly. 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 So let's go. Quietly. Okay, and we have 3 things to mark up. Let's go. Underline the qu, the I, second sound. The qu, Q and U stick like glue. That's rule 1. And the I can say I at the end of a syllable. That is rule 4. And what do we do with these 2? You can put the repeat symbol. What do we do with these 2 words? Bracket or brace. Excuse me. And the last word, I'm sorry, there's 2 more words. John Carlos, that was my fault. Okay, the next word is the word back. What's the word? Exactly, back. And we could use it in a few ways. Okay? The part of your body that's not in the front, but that's behind you is called your back. Okay? When you move and you go away from something, you back up. Okay? All right, back. Also, when you return, you come back. I'm back. Back. Let's go. B-a-k. Back. Let's go. B-a-k. Back. Okay, so how do we mark this up? Awesome. Underline the k. Now, we haven't done this for a while. That is rule 5. And we can use it more than one way. Awesome. It's a homograph. You have 3 sentences that you need to write with these words, with the word back, and also with the word letter, 2 sentences, and with the word letters, 2 sentences. All right? And the last word is the word stuff. What's the word? Yes, stuff. I have lots of items. I have lots of stuff. Also, when you put something inside of something, you stuff it, like a turkey on Thanksgiving, or your book bag. When you put your jacket inside, you stuff it. Okay? Or when you eat a lot, you stuff your belly, right? Let's go. Stuff. Again. Stuff. Let's go. Stuff. Double consonant. Yeah, you remembered. All right. Rule 7. 7. All right, so let's read these words back. Let's go. Stuff. Back. Quietly. Quiet. Body. Letters. Letter. All right, John Carlos, go to it.